Question number 4. In an arithmetic progression, the common difference is -2. So D is -2. The sum of first 4 terms equal to the sum of first 10 terms. So S4 equal to S10. Find the first term, which is A. So we need to find the A. So S4 Sn formula is going to be n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know only d here, d is -2. So S4 equal to 4 by 2 into 2a plus fourth term, so 4 minus 1, which is 3 into d is -2. So which is equal to 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 2a minus 6, which is 4a minus 12. So S4 equal to 4a minus 12. Now we go for S10. S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9, d is -2. So 5 into 2a minus 18, which is 10a minus 90. This is S10. So it's given S4 equal to S10. So I'll equate both of them. So S4 is here, S10 is here. So 4a minus 12 equal to 10a minus 90. Rearrange the term, I'll bring 90 here. 90 minus 12 equal to bring 4a here. 10a minus 4a, which is 78 equal to 6a. So 78 over 6 equal to a. So the answer is 13 equal to a. So a equal to 13. We need to find the first term, which is a. So we got a.